course, the fans still demand the results. Can the players and their intense-looking captain oblige? And expectations are rising and decibel levels are rising. The noise is quite something. You can feel what football means to the people in this part of the world. Well, if you did just miss it, we are up and running already. Who do you, Jim, see making a difference here? And he's had a hit! He's got away with one there. Knocks it out wide. Oh, Red, nice interception. McKennie. Away from immediate danger. Mbappe. Shot a goal! A collective sigh of relief from the defence. Pressing is high and relentless. Great chance! McKennie. Mendieta. He's gone for goal! Oh, fine stop from the keeper.
Well, as tests go, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
Barcelona with the corner, they're first. Barcelona with another corner. It's their second corner of the game. And it's been taken short. Great hit! Well, now it's a race for the ball. In for the follow-up! Goal! Barcelona! Well, was he ever going to miss that? Of course he wasn't.
Well, the finish looked a guarantee once he was found all alone, and it's criminal defending.
Barcelona take the lead, 1-0.
Well, just listen to the reaction. I think you can hear the approval from the support all around the stadium.
And they're not going to make any further progress now. Mendieta. And the two sides separated by the game's only breakthrough moment to this point. 1-0 the score. Oh, good spread. Mbappe. Mendieta. Now the finish! Ito. Has a shot! Surely this time! And he hits the net! And again, they simply do not know what has hit them. And he's only too grateful to capitalise on the keeper's misfortune.
Well, listen, last line of defence, and you don't get it right, then you're paying a visit to your net.
The goal scorer for Barcelona after 41 minutes is number 7,
Barcelona take a 2-goal lead, and things should be comfortable from here on in.
The turning of the screw comes to mind, Peter. They've got them where they want them.
And that has left him in a heap.
Has been indicated.
Out to the left it goes. Might be done. Can he finish? They are rampant! And they're at it again in double quick time. Complete awareness. He understood what was needed and he executed it smoothly.
Well, it doesn't have to look spectacular. Why complicate simplicity?
And the half-time whistle goes. Unless there is a significant change in fortune, it is 3-0 at half-time.
This looks well and truly sewn up already, Peter, but please feel free to forget what I've just said if there's a spectacular turnaround.
Barcelona, 3 goals to the good after a really excellent first half that's been intriguing to watch. Plenty of highlights to show you during the break. We're promptly into the second 45 minutes. And Messi! And out to safety. Mendieta, whose goal-scoring skills have already been evident. Oh, and the shot! It's bounced out!
The attendance for this match was 71,898.
Neymar will not want to lose out here, not against this opponent. He's found a way through. Massive leap! Goal! That is a fine goal, really efficiently done.
Yeah, I just thought he wanted that more than anyone else on the pitch, and it was fully deserved. He gave it everything he had.
The goal scorer for Barcelona after 67 minutes is...
So is this the start of a comeback? Neymar going full tilt down the left. That's a foul. Simple decision for the referee. That has been cut short. And through to the goalkeeper. Neymar. That's ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with. Sonkrasin. Gaitska Mendieta. That's been hits one! In he goes again! Oh, just lacked a decent finish.
Oh, look, I don't want to sound too dismissive, but from here, that looked the harder thing to do.
Neymar. Well, they're certainly pressing with purpose here. Tomiyasu. Shifted upfield. Sonkrasin just eases him off the ball. Sonkrasin. And it's Neymar. Now Neymar.
There will be 1 minute added time.
Sonkrasin. And that is it. The referee has seen enough.